Jalen Small from Detroit, Michigan. Poetry, it's a lifestyle for real. It's a culture. It's a way, to me, it's a way of expressing yourself for the one that, let's just say, doesn't have the biggest voice but got the best pen, you know? So they're able to really just relate to other people through their feelings, and then just the whole culture as a whole, you know, just bring people together, let people know, like, you know, I'm going through the same thing you're going through, you know, and we're just expressing it in different art forms. So overall, it's a culture, it's a thing of healing, and it's a way of life, for real. Growing up, my moms and my dad, like, they had like a whole Black literature library. So like from like Langston Hughes, James Baldwin, Nikki Giovanni, and everybody. So I guess I was kind of raised in it, for real. But I'll say what really got me was, I forgot his name, but it was on Def Poetry Jam, and the guy did a poem called Knock Knock, and I heard that poem, then right after that it was Kanye, All Falls Down. So I was like, all right, this is it, this is what I like. It was kind of like a notch down from hip hop, but you know, the meaning still got across. So yeah, that's what got me into it. I want my lasting impact to be that I created a culture where people of color can all come and be free and all come and fully express themselves with no judgment. You know, like sometimes on social media or just period, the way we express ourselves, it can be looked at the wrong way. So really just creating a free space where people like us, people, Black people, brown people, just really just come together and just share their stories. So as we all just get through life at the end of the day. I am him. I am them. I am whoever you want me to be. I am the missing piece of the puzzle. I am the piece. I am only one letter out the alphabet, really just 3 B's. I am building bridges over barriers. I am doing everything that needs to be done. My name is Jalen Small. I'd like to welcome you to Poems and Coffee.